Smoking is very harmful. Cigarette smoke has over 5,000 chemicals that damage the body. Tar sticks to teeth and gums, causing decay. Smoke also reduces your sense of smell. In the lungs, it causes infections, damages airways, and reduces oxygen flow. Carbon monoxide in cigarettes takes oxygen away from your blood, making breathing harder. Making the nicotine reaches the brain in seconds, making smoking addictive. It also narrows blood vessels, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Smoking can change your DNA and cause cancer in different parts of the body. It also weakens bones and affects fertility. The good news? Quitting has fast benefits. In 20 minutes, your heart rate and blood pressure improve. In 12 hours, oxygen levels get better. In 2 days, your sense of taste and smell start coming back. In a month, your lungs become healthier. And in a year, your heart disease risk is cut in half. After 10 years, your lung cancer risk drops by 50%. And in 15 years, your heart is as healthy as a non-smoker's. Quitting can be tough, but there are ways to make it easier. Nicotine patches, gum, counseling, and exercise help. The sooner you quit, the healthier you'll be. That's it.